Let's talk about a job that's both green and tough, turning bamboo, a super fast-growing grass, into a board as strong as wood. Bamboo isn't just panda food, it's a renewable powerhouse that matures in just a few years, unlike trees that take decades. This makes bamboo a fantastic, sustainable resource for building materials. The journey starts in dense bamboo forests, where workers select mature stalks, industrial giants, not garden variety. Only culms aged 5 to 7 years are chosen for peak strength. Bamboo's root system stays alive after harvest, sending up new shoots, making it a resource that literally regrows itself. Instead of clear-cutting forests, we can farm bamboo sustainably, protecting the environment. The transformation from hollow grass to strong plywood is a blend of old-school skill and modern engineering. The result? Bamboo plywood that's often stronger and more durable than traditional wood, used for everything from cabinets to floors. It's a story of working with nature to create something beautiful and strong. The process begins with careful selection, ensuring only the best bamboo makes the cut. This attention to detail is the first step in producing top-quality plywood. Bamboo's rapid regrowth and strength make it a smart, eco-friendly choice. It's a material with a story, one that starts in the wild and ends in our homes. By using bamboo, we get the materials we need without harming the planet. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. And it all starts with a simple stalk of grass. Once the right bamboo is picked, the real work begins. Workers cut the heavy stalks near the base and haul them to the factory. Inside, the bamboo is split lengthwise into strips by powerful machines. The tough outer skin and soft inner pith are trimmed away, leaving only the strong, fibrous core. This process creates a lot of waste, but even the leftovers are put to use, often as fuel for the factory. The strips are now uniform and ready for the next stage. This is where the transformation from wild grass to building material really takes shape. The initial processing tames the natural shape of bamboo, turning it into a standardized raw material. Workers must be careful. These machines are powerful and the work is fast and repetitive. Safety gear is a must. Every stalk is handled with purpose, moving it closer to becoming a strong, reliable board. It's a noisy, dusty, and essential part of the journey. From field to factory, the bamboo is on its way to becoming something extraordinary. Next, the bamboo strips need a deep clean. They're boiled in vats with a cleaning solution to kill bugs, remove sugars, and bleach the bamboo. This step is crucial. It keeps the final product from rotting or attracting pests. After boiling, the strips are pale and clean, but soaking wet. They must be dried to the perfect moisture level. Too wet, and glue won't stick. Too dry, and the bamboo becomes brittle. Some factories use the sun, others use kilns, but the goal is always the same. Get the moisture just right. Workers use moisture meters to check every batch. Proper drying prevents warping and cracking later on. It's a patient, detail-oriented job. Once dried, the strips are stable and ready for the next transformation. Clean, dry, and prepped, they're ready to become plywood. Now, it's time to build strength. Layer by layer, the strips are flattened under heavy rollers, then sorted by color and texture for a consistent look. Each strip gets a coat of strong, low-formaldehyde adhesive. The secret to plywood's strength is cross-lamination. Each layer is placed at a right angle to the one below. This crisscross pattern distributes strength in all directions, preventing warping and adding rigidity. Typically, 3 to 5 layers are used, depending on the desired thickness. Workers carefully fit each strip, ensuring no gaps and even glue coverage. It's like making a giant, woody lasagna, meticulous and precise. Each stack is inspected before moving on. The next step will fuse these layers into a single, solid board. This is where engineering and craftsmanship meet. The layered structure is what makes bamboo plywood so tough. Every detail matters for the final product's strength and beauty. The stage is set for the final transformation. Soon these layers will become a superboard. The glued layers are loaded into a massive hot press. Intense heat and pressure fuse the strips into a single solid panel. The resin glue liquefies, seeps into the fibers, and hardens under pressure. Air pockets are eliminated, creating a dense, strong board. The process can take minutes or nearly an hour depending on thickness. When the press opens, out comes a solid sheet of bamboo plywood, Heavier and denser than traditional wood, the panels are hot and must cool slowly to prevent warping. This pressing stage gives bamboo plywood its legendary toughness. The final product is strong enough for flooring, furniture, and even structural uses. Workers wear protective gear to handle the hot panels. This is the moment where grass becomes a superboard. The transformation is nearly complete. Only finishing touches remain. After cooling, the panels are trimmed to standard sizes and sanded smooth. Some get a clear sealant or UV protective finish for extra durability. Others are left natural, showing off bamboo's unique golden grain. Every board undergoes strict quality control. Inspectors check for defects and measure for precision. Only the best panels make it out of the factory. The result? A beautiful, sustainable board, ready for kitchens, floors, furniture, and more. Bamboo plywood is strong, stylish, and eco-friendly. Because bamboo regrows so quickly, it's a smart choice for the planet. From wild grass to finished board, it's a journey of innovation and sustainability. It's a testament to clever engineering and hard work. A humble plant, transformed into something extraordinary. It's a dirty job that ends with a clean, beautiful product. And it all starts with a single stalk of grass.